In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Minecraft crash on startup. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your PC meets the minimum system requirements and update your graphics driver if you haven't already. Now, the other thing you want to do is install the latest version of Java, which is going to be 64-bit, and restart your PC after installing it. If that is not the case, you might need to update your GPU drivers to the latest version and use GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin in order to go ahead and fix these common problems. If that is not working, then you want to simply free up resources for a smoother launch. So simply go ahead and close all the unnecessary apps running in the background. You might need to also go ahead and click on the triple dot, manage, and then verify files of your Minecraft. If that is not working, if you have any mods or resource packs, simply go ahead and disable them or simply go ahead and delete it. And you can also adjust your launcher settings, by the way. If nothing works, then simply reinstall Minecraft. I hope this video clarifies